Bade Bhai Sahab, written by Premchand. Dear children, let us all primarily get introduced to the writer of the lesson, Bade Bhai Sahab, Munshi Premchand. The original name of the writer was Dhanpat Rai. He was born on 31st July 1880 at village Lamhi in Banaras, Uttar Pradesh, India. He had equal command on both Urdu and Hindi. He wrote in Urdu under his pen name Gulab Rai and was renowned as Premchand in his writings in Hindi. Premchand has been conferred the title of Upanyas Samrat. His stories are the reflections of contemporary society. Realism in his stories, dear children, is so deep-rooted that even after almost 84 years of his demise, every character in all his stories seems to be significantly realistic and also an integral part of the existing society. Premchand's recognition as a novel writer is justified through his immortal titles like Godan, Gaban, Premashray, Seva Sadan, Nirmala, Karm Bhumi, Rang Bhumi, Kaya Kalp, and Pratigya. All his stories are collected in 8 parts of collection of stories entitled Man Sarovar. Bade Bhai Sahab also is taken out from Man Sarovar and has been prescribed in Sparsh 2 in Hindi Course B for class 10. Bade Bhai Sahab is a portrayal of the elder brother of Premchand. There are 2 characters in this lesson, elder brother of Premchand and the writer himself. Both the brothers possess different personalities and nature. The elder brother is only 14 in his age, but he is 5 years older than the younger brother. Thus, he has got a privilege to be termed as Bade Bhai Sahab. Bade Bhai Sahab maintains his ideology in order to prove himself an ideal elder brother. He seems to be studious, but not very serious about his growth. He doesn't want to acquire knowledge in a hurry. Hence, he completes the assignments scheduled for 1 year in 2 years and at time in 3 years. He believed that the foundation of the building on pillars must be strong. Although he was not very proficient in learning, yet he left no stone unturned in keeping his vigil on his younger brother Premchand. Most of the time, Bade Bhai Sahab was found sitting with his book open, but his mind and concentration was elsewhere. The writer had seen on his notebook peculiar words and images of birds, dogs, and cats drawn in its margin. Bade Bhai Sahab was well versed in preaching. He always objected to the recreation the writer wanted to have. On the contrary, he believed that a person can't be educated without being engrossed in books. In fact, the writer has tried to paint a picture of his elder brother which reflects his contradictory approach towards life. The lesson is indeed a synonym to the proverb, practice before you preach.